Hello and welcome to the Philippines. Philippine life. Take a walk on the wild side. This is an area where many of you probably would never go. Areas similar to this that many of you would never have any desire to go would be considered a squatter village type area. A lot of times these areas, these buildings where people build their houses, they are built on government land sometimes. They're built on other people's land. This particular one, I think there's a large corporation next door owns the land, and some of their workers initially came in and started building on this property. My partner and I made a trip down here to deliver some supplies to some friends, and we were just leaving here, and there was a shorter way out, but I had not been this way. I wanted to take a look around, and so many friendly people. A little bit shocked to see a foreigner going through this area, but everybody was very friendly. And watch your head if you're very tall. There are wires and left or right. I don't know my way all through here, so I've asked directions a number of times from my partner here.
You sure?
We're going to walk through here, then we're going to come out, go down a little back road, down under a bridge, main bridge that goes from Lapu-Lapu, Mactan, over to Mandawi City, Cebu City.
I don't know. She's telling me where to go.
Basketball game going on under the bridge, and then we're going to go down slow tide. We're going to go down by the Mactan Strait.
Left or right? Go right. Hello.
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 Good afternoon.
Flower?
Yes.
Ah.
This is flower.
How much?
Ano?
Oh, you're not selling? Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, many puppies. Hello. 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 Hi, buddies. Hi, buddies. Yeah. You like attention. Huh? Yeah.
It's not unusual to hear karaoke going on, not just one place, but many places. It's some of the entertainment they have down here in their homes. And but today was Sunday, and I think they have a ban on karaoke during the weekdays, because a lot of people are trying to learn at home, modular type system. So kids are supposed to be learning at home. What I've been told, that's not happening very often.
Hello.
Hello.
Straight? This way?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
I'll give it.
Sorry, sir.
Yes.
Straight?
Yes. This is dangerous.
No, it's not dangerous. Why do you say dangerous?
There's a lot of dogs.
Is the building up there?
Yeah, it's a house.
Let's go see what they're building. Huh?
No, maybe Juni is there now.
Oh.
They're playing.
The water pipes? These are all water pipes, right?
Yeah.
Good afternoon.
Right.
What is this? Oh, for standing?
Yeah.
For passenger, huh?
Yes.
Ah, very good idea. Where are we? Okay. Now I know where we're at.
You know na.
Yeah.
You know where we are.
Yeah. Good afternoon. doing? How are you?
Fine.
All right. Mercedes.
thank you.
All right, very nice.
Mercedes Benz.
Yeah. So Junie's up here? Hello. Is he friendly? Friendly? Come here.
Not exactly now.
Not so, huh?
Yeah.
All right. Very good. Hey.
These bands do not have band room. They don't have football pitches, football fields, soccer fields, areas where they can practice usually. So they pick a street. It's not unusual to see them marching down a street, even in Cebu City, Mandaue City, different cities, just to be marching, take over a street, one lane of a street, and march down the street. This bridge is the older two-lane bridge that goes from Mactan Island over to Mandaue City. And I believe the property here is owned by the General Milling Corporation. Huge milling operation. They've always got big ships parked there, loading, unloading flour, I believe, other grains possibly. Anyway, want to go down this way. Way off to the right, there are lots of homes. You'll see them later. Kind of like up on stilts, out in the water. And we're going down here. The tide is out. There are a few people out there collecting various things for dinner. A seashell, animals, a number of other things. I'm not sure. Those of you who lived around the sea know more about that.
What kind of plants are these? Do you know? Huh? Cadena Amor, huh?
Yeah, it's
Which way? Which way? This way?
We can down here. Oh, Bajang is here also.
Huh? What is?
See it.
Huh?
Bajang. The here, oh. Just plant ba?
Oh,
You want to go down?
yeah.
One hates to see some of all this garbage that you see down here. Over a year ago, I think they did a bit of a cleanup of different areas and television there. If anybody's looking for one, but still lots of plastic, lots of garbage down here. They sent out a lot of people picking up garbage out and trying to clean the canals, the rivers, the sea banks. But as many of you know, the infrastructure needs to be in place to collect garbage in all the different areas, collect it, remove it. And for the most part, I don't think that is in place. Not sure about some of the areas, but anyway, that is the Mactan Strait between Mactan Island and Cebu Island. There are many ships that traverse this strait, unloading on this side, and even more so over on the Cebu City, Mandaue City side. You got downtown Cebu City, Pier 1, a lot of big passenger area. Pier 3 has some passenger ferries. These people are out here searching for food, I believe.
Oh.
Sorry, may lilay.
What are we look? What are
Lagi
we?
yung gikuha.
Wala, suri-suri na.
Para
We're looking a shell.
Shell.
shell for. Dala oh. Gamay oh.
For food?
Yes.
For dinner, huh?
No, it's
Ah.
fun.
Maybe something like this. I don't know. Yeah, this is
Huh?
this is shell like this.
Oh, they're looking for shell. Little shell,
Yeah,
huh?
little
Like
that
snails?
oh. This is
Snails?
Yeah, I like this. What is it? This
Oh,
one.
we'll take some home for dinner. I'm hungry.
There's a number of different, what they call banca boats, outrigger boats like that, along the shore. They park them there. A guy or a family has that, and they'll often go out to fish in these waters. Larger ones, they'll go further out to sea to fish. And I know one guy over there, he'll go out and get fish for the family every couple of days. And there's a guy, I think that white buoy out there, there's actually a guy out there with some kind of breathing apparatus and a little bit of a tube or something, and I think he's with a face mask, homemade face mask probably, and he's out there looking for fish or something. Some of you know more about that than I do, what he is looking for. And this is a little bit larger boat. I am told that this is probably a live-aboard boat, and you don't see a lot of that in the Philippines. I haven't anyway, but you'll see rivers of the U.S. and different countries. There are a lot of live-aboard type boats around, and it's got as much space as a small sailboat would, I guess. Just depends on how you want to set it up. And the interesting thing is, what you'll find is, they'll tie them off so they don't float away. They got some pretty light duty. I guess it does the job though. Pretty light duty string there, twine, holding that in. We walked along here quite a ways, and way off in the distance there are some houses up on stilts out there, but we come across a few people out there looking for shellfish, whatever they're looking for. And what I've found as I've visited different islands, and if you've ever lived close to the sea, you know what tides are. The water goes out, the water comes in, it's higher, it's lower, different times of the day, and that varies by the days and by the weeks. And anyway, you will find a lot of people out searching for many different types of sea life to take home and eat and or sell. As we got down by the houses on stilts, that area, we come across a family, and the guy told us of a easier route, a better route, more direct route back to the main road, so that we would not have to backtrack across here. So that helped, and that was not another long walk through through an area that I think many of you will find interesting, and that will be a separate video in the coming days. Many of you know, but some of you don't. I've got over 800 videos up. I do a lot of videos about condominiums, about real estate, about cost of living, about travels to different islands, ferry rides, various places, costs of travel. Certainly would appreciate it if you check out some of those videos, and if you'd be so kind to hit that like button. That always helps to promote the channel as well. On average, I put out about 3 videos a week, so it's always have new content. I've got a long list of videos. The newer bridge, 4-lane bridge, way off there in the distance, and they're building a 3rd bridge on the south side of Mactan Island over to Cebu. See you later.